In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark email as read and unread in Yahoo Mail. If you want a tidy inbox or need to flag messages to revisit later, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to toggle the read status of your emails. First, open your browser and head to the Yahoo sign-in page. If you see your account listed on the screen, click it to continue. If not, choose the option for an existing account. On the login form, type your email address, then continue to the password screen and enter your password. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official Yahoo site before signing in. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Yahoo homepage. Look toward the upper right corner and click Mail to open your inbox. This takes you into Yahoo Mail, where you can see your messages organized by folder. To control whether a message shows as read or unread, start by clicking the email you want to manage in your inbox list to select it. Then click it again to open the message so you can see the toolbar options clearly. At the top of the message view, find the three-dot menu. It's usually located near the other action buttons like Reply and Move. Click that three-dot menu and choose Mark as unread. The message immediately switches to the unread state, typically showing bold text and an unread indicator, and your unread count updates accordingly. This is great when you've opened something but want to make sure you come back to it later. Next, open the same three-dot menu again at the top. This time, click Mark as read. The message will switch to the read state, clearing the bold styling and the unread indicator. Use this when you've finished reviewing an email and want it out of your immediate attention. A quick tip for staying efficient: you can select multiple emails in your inbox list before opening the three-dot menu. The Mark as Unread and Mark as Read options will apply to all selected messages, which is handy for cleaning up a crowded inbox. If you don't see the three-dot menu, try widening your browser window or looking for a More option that reveals additional actions. And that's it. You signed in, opened Yahoo Mail, selected a message, used the three-dot menu to mark it as unread, and then used the same menu to mark it as read. With these simple controls, you can keep your inbox focused, highlight items to revisit, and clear out distractions fast.